The 1931 Bugatti Type 51 is a masterpiece of engineering, but today I'm the one responsible for getting it rally ready. From a full service in the workshop to my very first time behind the wheel of this Grand Prix icon, the pressure is on. Will it run smoothly or will this vintage legend prove too much for me? Let's prepare it for a massive upcoming rally. We won't start it inside because it runs too rich and it will fill the whole garage with smoke. This is Colin's Grand Prix car and usually you can see it at a hill climb where it won 4 championships, but this time we're preparing it for something bigger.
I'm going to do the service on this fantastic Bugatti. It might sound like a routine maintenance job, but this is a 1931 Grand Prix car. It's a Bugatti Type 51 and it's anything but ordinary. Time to get in the workshop. Pump.
It's the pump to get some fuel pressure up to about 50.
There's no key. You build fuel pressure by hand. Magneto on, give it some Kai gas, pull the choke. Starting this is more like starting an aircraft than a car.
Alright, here it is. Now, first thing first, we're gonna start by removing the cock box. Funny name, huh? Inside here, we're gonna find the carburetor. Okay, let's take it off. Pin first. Okay. So here we have the carburetor. This is a Solex updraft carburetor. So we remove this.
So first thing first, we need to drain the oil, but it's something in the way.
And that whole assembly comes off in one go.
To drain the oil, we actually have to remove the carburetor first in order to get access to the drain plug.
Okay, fuel plug. Yep.
Is that right?
Yes.
So first, I'm disconnecting the fuel pipe. Then the choke
cable.
But now
But it's still no good because we want this out. Can I? Oh, yes, I do.
you notice how this gap is bigger than this gap.
Oh, yes.
It seals on this gap, but you have to have a gap there, otherwise the carburetor won't work properly. Yeah, you can leave the bolt in there. It's full of petrol.
Oh, now we have access to this. Now I need to remove this hose in order to replace the filter. Or, since I untied already, I can just undo the pipe. Do you like that?
Yeah. Only for spanners.
Oh, look out.
Couple of flies in there.
Oh, yes. This is the fuel filter.
Yeah. Done it or not?
Yes. Okay.
Stop.
Mm-hmm. Next, let's take out the oil filter. Here. this motorcycle
There's a
filter.
doughty seal on there.
Next, time for some oil. 7 liters. So in GP cars, there are no means to actually check the oil level because you have no dipstick and you have no filler cap. Now we're gonna need to add the oil through the breather.
So most cars have breathers that take that crankcase pressured oil, it's like an oily mist or whatever,
Yes.
and put it back into the induction system, so they burn it off.
This is just the tank, the breather are actually here. Okay, let's try it. It has a filter there as
Yeah.
well.
Now all I need to do is put everything back together. Next, we need to get the oil pressure up.
Oh, okay.
Let's put the bonnet straps on. Well, maybe a bit more choke then.
We're planning a proper journey with this car and we'll be sharing the driving. So before that, I need to find out how I get along with the Joker, whether we understand each other or not.
Time to go up the hill.
Racing my M3 up this hill taught me confidence, but more importantly, it taught me responsibility. And maybe that's why Colin trusts me to drive the Joker today.
Oh, are you scared? Why are you scared?
This is it. This is the first time it moves with me driving. I know this hill pretty well. I've raced here my M3 a few times, but this time it feels completely different and honestly, it's so much fun. It didn't take long and I think me and the Joker become friends. The way this car makes you feel the tarmac right beneath you, so direct, so responsive, it's unbelievable. Honestly, I could have done this all day, run after run, again and again. I really didn't want this day to end. I hate to admit it, but this car really makes me nervous. It's so wild, it genuinely scares me. And maybe that's a good thing. Cars like this weren't built to sit still. They were built to move, to be driven, to be felt, because using them is how you preserve them. This was just the beginning of my friendship with the Joker. So far, everything has been controlled, but next time, we take it out on the public road and find out if we're ready for a proper rally far from home.